turning wrenches, welding steel, diagnosing problems. Welcome to the world of the Army National Guard 91 series of military occupational specialties. These are the mechanics and repair specialists in charge of fixing and maintaining the gear needed to keep the Army National Guard moving forward. The 91 series can be broken into two categories of focus: vehicle maintenance and equipment maintenance, with multiple jobs to choose from. On the vehicle side, you have the opportunity to work on everything from Humvees to some of the most advanced fighting vehicles in the world, like the M1 Abrams tank. If you choose the equipment maintenance side, you can learn trades like HVAC, welding, and small arms repair. You can earn professional certifications while you are receiving paid training, and many soldiers use these to get a head start in a civilian career. If you're ready to join a dedicated team that will help you build your future, go to nationalguard.com or talk to your local recruiter about the excitement waiting for you as a mechanic for the Army National Guard.